3, 2, 1.
Mutations that lead to cancer usually occur in genes that control the cell cycle. These include tumor suppressor genes and what? The answer is A. Proto-oncogenes. Which movie has the record for the highest grossing opening weekend? The answer is A. Avengers: Endgame. What blood protein carries oxygen from the lungs to cells throughout the body? The answer is A. Hemoglobin. What has skins but cannot be peeled? The answer is C. Grape. Which of these shows did Eve Plum play on? The answer is C. The Brady Bunch. Who is known for his Dior Homme line? The answer is D. Christian Dior. What is the name of the extraterrestrial being in E.T. the Extraterrestrial? The answer is A. Aliena. What are female gonads normally called? The answer is D. Ovaries. Who developed the attachment theory? The answer is D. Jean Piaget. Which of these is needed in all stages of the butterfly's life cycle? The answer is D. Air. What is the long-handled tool used for stirring and serving soup called? The answer is A. Ladle. Who was the youngest U.S. president? The answer is A. Theodore Roosevelt. The official language of South Africa is? The answer is A. Zulu. Which structure does a virus have in common with a prokaryotic cell? The answer is B. Nucleic acid. In standard coordinates, which point lies on the x-axis and y-axis? The answer is A. 0, 0. What is used in tennis to mark where the server stands before serving the ball? The answer is A. Chalk. Al Czervik was an important part of Rodney Dangerfield's career as comedian and actor. Who is actually Al Czervik? The answer is D. A character in one of Dangerfield's movies. Around 1,200 species of what broad animal group are currently at risk of extinction due to human activity? The answer is D. Birds. The Caspian Sea is not considered an ocean, but it's a part of which continent? The answer is A. Asia. What is the dependent variable in this experiment? The answer is D. Growth of the bean plants. What is the name of the famous sculpture depicting the Pieta? The answer is D. Pieta. Which of these schools is not one of the original members of the Atlantic Coast Conference? The answer is A. Boston. Which of the following contains large amounts of salt water? The answer is C. The Indian. What is the national sport of Bangladesh? The answer is D. Kabaddi. Which element is vital for blood clotting? The answer is D. Vitamin K. Which element is symbolized by He on the periodic table?
The answer is A. Helium.
The attractive force between water molecules is what kind of reaction? The answer is D. Dipole reaction. Where did Dr. Cox meet Wayne Gretzky on the TV show Scrubs? The answer is A. In line at the bank. The flood of sodium ions through the symporter provides the energy that allows what to move through the symporter and into the cell. The answer is D. Glucose. What instrument is used in the Beatles' song Yellow Submarine? The answer is A. Flute. Which Lewis Carroll book is a sequel to Alice's Adventures in Wonderland? The answer is A. Through the Looking Glass. What term describes the amount of time required for half of the original material to decay in an isotope? The answer is A. Half-life. Who was the first African American woman to become a physician in the United States? The answer is D. Rebecca Crumpler. Which mountain range has the highest number of peaks above 7,000 meters in the world? The answer is A. Himalayas. Which item urinates? The answer is C. Mammal. Which sci-fi series is set in a dystopian future where humans live in pods and take virtual reality as reality? The answer is A. Black Mirror. What is the symbol of the Dhamma Dharma? The answer is D. Wheel. Which of these is the title of the book for children written by director, producer, writer, and actor Spike Lee? The answer is C. Please, Puppy, Please. Hotspots can be used to tell the speed and direction that what object is moving. The answer is A. Plates. Tina Fey, who adapted the script for Mean Girls from the book Queen Bees and Wannabes, used to be head writer for which TV show? The answer is D. Saturday Night Live. Which of these is an American football team based in Dallas? The answer is B. Dallas Cowboys. What does the blue color of the pulmonary arteries reflect? The answer is B. They are deoxygenated. What is the name of the Greek Titan who led the Titans in a war against the Olympians? The answer is A. Atlas. What is used for drawing? The answer is C. Crayon. The sun's gravity is relatively strong because the force of gravity between two objects is directly proportional to their what? The answer is C. Masses. What is the tallest dune in the Sahara Desert, Erdchebbi, a part of? The answer is C. Sahara Mountains. What city is the show Kashmir Mafia set in? The answer is B. New York. Which author wrote Michael Strogoff? The answer is C. Jules Verne. What was the first successful commercial website? The answer is B. Amazon. What is the coldest mountain in the world?